All right, we're back here at our Edina primary bathroom project. We left off last video at demo day. Today we're gonna walk you through kind of our rough-in portion. We took a lot of meetings on the front end with cabinet maker, plumbing, electrician to make sure everything is gonna fit within this bathroom. There's a lot of features going in here that are kind of custom to a bathroom, and a typical bathroom will not have them. And we're gonna walk you through our thought process and why we did what we did, in addition to a couple of changes that we've made. Now I'm gonna hand it off to Topher, our PM on the project. He'll take you on a walkthrough. He took a lot of the meetings and he kind of knows all the details and the why behind everything.
So we're back, we've completed the rough-in phase. Just a reminder from the last video, we took the shower, moved it all the way over here, added some features for the new bathroom. We started by framing out the shower per our plans, and we framed it according to our plans, and it just felt a little small. This shower's got rain head, it's got a bench, it's got a steam unit. And so given all those features, we felt like the existing shower per our plans was a little small, which created a bigger walkway here at the original plans, but once we extended the shower out, it narrowed up this walkway. So over here, there used to be plans for a fireplace, and we chatted through with the client on whether that was a must-have or that could go. Ended up saying no to the fireplace, which allowed us to have more room here for the bathtub, still maintaining a bigger walkway. So that all should work out nicely. Another couple features, dishwasher is going here. So we've had cabinet makers out to confirm placement of water lines, electric with our plumber. And so roughing all of that in was quite the process, but again, the pre-planning with all the necessary trades paid off.
So next steps on this project, get our insulation team in. We're gonna be foaming the walls and then patching in some of the insulation in the ceiling where it fell down from the different sheetrock work. After the insulation is in, we will be sheetrocking. We're having our sheetrock team come in. The nice part about this project, because we are having tile pretty much everywhere that you see, floor, walls, and everything, we won't have to do as much work with our sheetrock crew. They won't have to sand down and get a nice finished product. So there'll be tile going over the top of that. So the tile on the floor will be our first step, and then there'll be cabinets that'll be coming in all those areas, and then the wall tile will take place after that, so we could butt it up to those finished cabinet areas.
Now that we've taken you on a walkthrough of the rough-in portion of the project, I feel like now that all the details are kind of ironed out, the project is going to kind of progress quickly, and it should be relatively smooth from here on out.
Yeah, in our next video, you should be able to see kind of what the bathroom might feel and look like. The walls will be sheetrock, the floor will be tiled, cabinetry should be in. So make sure you keep following along to see how this thing's gonna finish out.